everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spread for All Night, the new BTS song from the BTS World original soundtrack. Now this song is Namjoon and Yoongi, and they have teamed up with Juice WRLD to create this song, and I think there are some other artists featured on it. I mentioned in my A Brand New Day video that I'm not normally one to get really hype about Western collabs. I think that it's normally because I'm not already a fan of the Western artists that they collab with. However, of course, like any BTS song, the songs are always amazing, and I was really excited for Namgi to do a song together. So I was definitely not disappointed. I really loved this song. And I wanted to continue on with my little mini series of these songs where I make the spreads go together. They're all the same design, they just have different lettering and the different cover art and the different artists that are actually on the song. So if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, how I always do my lettering is I sketch it out with a pencil first onto Canson brand marker paper, and then I outline it with some kind of multi-liner. In this case, I use one of my microns, and then I color it in with my alcohol-based markers. The brand of markers I use are both Ohuhu and Copic markers. I love both of them. The Ohuhus are definitely cheaper and a much better way to go if you're only getting markers to do lettering like this. So if you want to try out some alcohol markers, I definitely recommend getting a set of Ohuhu markers. I know that Ohuhu just recently released a set of brush tip markers, and I think I'm going to get some and maybe do a review on them. So if that's something that you would be interested in, please comment so below and I will order a set and review them, maybe do some lettering or something like that to see how they work for what I typically use them for. Here you can see a little peek of my text profiles spread, so if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out. It was actually a collab with one of my friends on Instagram. So here is the final spread. I really like how this one turned out. Purple is my favorite color, so I think it turned out really cute. I liked the pictures that I chose for Namjoon and Yoongi. And if you liked this spread and this video, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and follow me on Instagram at strawberryhui if you want to see more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.